Mr. President, Oba Ashante region Belanchi Women Manifesto. Ebe Kacha say Ghanaian women matter. Mr. President, Okacha say women will play vital role in the national development. So women we would be the center of your governance. Mr. President, Okacha say affirmative action law. Oba equal gender, equal number of gender on the table. You need Oba, you need the man. So I say Ghanaian women we matter. Also, be National Women's Development Bank, abe a ma IA business. Also, be increasing technical and vocational programs. Send a ma be develop because our program the map and Mr. President, as of what we ordered, no, and you know that you deliver my.
Mama Akwaba, wa frame Ajua search me, Mesrel. Now wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell on also for more news. Ebusiafo, Ashante region, Mba omo NDC for moto aba ema NDC amayoko no mo de memusuma ma adan ya omo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Nyesi na anu omo kan yo, unu omo anka the same because during your campaign time no Mba ho asem kra. Ko na wo kan, oba be women friend say bank women over more position and in same maybe no cry Anita de Soso also be demonstration at here because who appointment now you know a member and mark a crabby Ashante region and mouse no more than one in him was it all promises say a man women will be the center of your government. What happened? And I said Kumasi Mayor see no the S will Kumasi no almost Kumasi Mayor and farm over one farm more bad dear the no papa ope because in your promise I no one call any and is a missing NDC for ya to abano campaign amoya de muyashi campaign amoni mon grassroots fona omo ye your friend is saying floating voters asumu sama omo kind de muyashi o because in your messi na chre and sama omo kind during campaign time no mo no omo akan wi omo ato abana mamo mo no omo nye ayansa won mo nye mundi mo mbo share so anya sa de wode baye mo no mo mpe yenti ensama ekoso.
Mr. President, Oba Ashante region Belanchi Women Manifesto. Ebe Kacha say Ghanaian women matter. Mr. President, Okacha say women will play vital role in the national development. So women we would be the center of your governance. Mr. President, Okacha say affirmative action law. Oba equal gender, equal number of gender on the table. You need Oba, you need the man. So I say Ghanaian women we matter. Also, be National Women's Development Bank, abe a ma IA business. Also, be increasing technical and vocational programs. Send a ma be develop because our program the map and Mr. President, as of what we ordered, no, and you know that you deliver my. But it's very sad. But what I'm about to tell you is the saddest of all. Can't remember your akunya ato. Yes, will be to me apply. My boss, Francis Kerry, boy, Mama Tundra, why deputy bandsma, women organizer, why Ashante regional women organizer, what call regional women organizer, LUC will 11 votes, or damn. Environmental and sanitation board, so was that agenda board, so what handle 47 constituency. I ran the women's affair of this 47 constituency. Can just 6 constituencies, and so you may be I'm on my catrasia, or bar and me, KM mayor. From a party where, Mr. President, you were centered on women development and women empowerment. This is where the political party starts. Oma converting, you understand the question there. The most funny thing is say, can me mayor, you know, or book or buy or pick a form, or bet you at 3,000, bear bet you at 3,000. Or my equal standard. That means Ashante region, one crofobia machine die on say breaking the gender gap in NDC. No, my imagine so much dear. And you're lie, or when Yamancophobia, ama your banner will try to challenge gender status quo. I was Ashante region, almost only here. Yamping. I mean, and then can't remember your interview. No, Mukoy, no, remember, Tundra, Francis, do your boy Remu, Yamusan question behind. You see, I disqualified no. Nipa 8, no, Member 60, man 2, now shortlisted one crime. You marry me, you're doing every. And this is under an administration that promised us women employment and women development, that promised us women empowerment, that promised us that women we would be a center in your governance, that promised us a gender balanced governance. And you told us that the chance of your crown say because you remember me, my vice president or your banning to you put women on board and women will add their voices to that of the Nano Pokwajima. What is wrong, sir? Ashante region. You have frontliners in Ashante region. You have Ashante regional minister, no your Bema. You have Kembe was not your bar. What is wrong with it? And on the better you said, Mr. President, you promised and you have delivered. almost a sign the a dear call around some kind of radio station. Your friend, my Francis do your boy, or you Francis do Mesa, or Fred Batch and Four catch a batch and forcing the dean or Master Sam, almost saying you know my Francis do. What is strong? I need some Francis do your one bay. Yeah, one man may be Ashante region NDC, they are intimidated by the successful women. They are intimidated when women like Francis do your one person climate or challenges gender status now. But it's funny, say, Mama, and you wish Mama to rise higher up in politics. But some people obey me. Now, example, Ben or Baba, or Bob, they should give us the reason because we're vetting room. You may understand the question, they are most disqualified. Or call St. Louis, or your Slopsa, or call University of Education, Uniba, or call Gempa, Patricia PJ, Ababe, a Keme Mayoda, or Babisia. What is wrong that NDC said, or Babe Keme Mayoda? And this is where the political apathy starts from. Mr. President, for when NDC came in in saying Ashante region. Because Ashante region, I've been say women manifesto. So, Mr. President, please do the needful. We beg you in the name of God.
The Besha Sabe political party be or Bebiano, on him say at least ye fa 40 ministers, ye fa 40 vice, ye fa say, not just say, I am ra. Enti party bi obebebiano enyame na mahhehye eye constitution Ghana for na age atum say yemfa normal we enti enye se mempese mefa na emom no saa na emra ne yeden esie enti esa na ebema nkwala na akoma ayeden abafom
okay
me no madwen no na me gidi say e was support parties ne nyina na we should come together and do this because if not I'm afraid what will happen next
well
so senso yempenesa
mom pese Debbie MPP for so ba na bi omo so abeye kese pa na afedi
na afi no owo be hu say entime Debbie obi ka say democracy am say yan hwe be democracy enti no mpanyimfo no ntena se ne yemfa nkoye constitution mo say president bi a wo be ba no wo be yi ministers 40 wo be yi we youth nso wo be yi we enti e ba sa na wo president na wa ba obi ntumi blame because your constitution na ayede and say enso ma ayedoso enso ma say no ma ayede and o mafa yes I am here na ache yeso ma na ebeti asikrom na ya ka say enso mu sisi ye nyame ado ye nya vice but e bia e be ka say enso ye enti misre wo mo parliament form famranya den ento ho na afa MPP ba no adi so NDC ba no adi so yes na nkwala no ntumi nya hwe ka metina
aye ehno ho no ye de sa post election violence ne impunity our fans ni because on to one year ministerial appointment in a 42 so far president promised no more than 16 year fan 60 cra aka 18 na 16 regional ministers of state said na a member 35 so far emba 7 representing 16% a member no year 83 mampanyi shebo say 30% there obey ye be about say over 15-16%.
Meda sibebre no de opompo e wo man be because ye man no ye na ye doso ye ma ye na politics ye di animu a etumi ye se ne ye na ya asanto oba besi abo so se ye politics na ma nka ho a enya de e bedru ba bia edru ba bia na ma no musisi ye too much but me feel say this is the time e was a man on so ye den sorry so waka enti say o ka de ye nchemu pay ana meboa
yeah
ya doso same wo Ghana ha na population ma no so ya doso same ana sabio mema no wanyo mu nkwa nanim ade chen yen ana meboa enye ne ehwe mo e wo fie enye mo sa tete mo enti die pa na munim ayenim enti e wo se de bia mu sisi eno da me ne wa mo nya adwen me ye fa prof na mani agia because me hu at least change bia by ma betumi aba but appointment no so ma no so no so Edru baby was say this was some macro ye demonstration ye de share constitution mo say some 500 and ma 50 ma 50 e dia na ya dos so say mo e na de bia mo dos so say
30 na nye biem
David adenti na mo mema no de bia ya dos so kire ana population and also
na omo vote pa krampo
dos ana enti adenti na mo de bia no na mo de akwa form na che say mo de mo feel say mo ye head na we ye head na neck ni wa obetimi ubetumi
asamuji tum say affirmative action 30% ne kan fan start na 50%
no krampo
30% no de go de aba me NDC ni me expect so mo de beba because me manya ka che empanyimfo ni bi say this sound sisi ma me demonstration
against